Hello YouTube, I want to make this video in hopes to help someone who is having the same problem I was having. It's May 2024 and we have taken the motorhome to a few places already, and in our last trip I noticed that the furnace fan will not turn off. The RV engine was off, everything was off including the thermostat, but the blower would keep blowing and it will not turn off. Luckily for me, this Dometic furnace, part number DFMD30141, has a switch to turn it off. So I did. That gave me peace of mind and time to find the problem. Next thing was to check the cell switch to make sure that it was working correctly. I tested the continuity of the cell switch and it was good. It was working correctly. This 15 amp furnace fuse also was good, so you can see. Looking at the furnace, I noticed that there was a lot of dust, so I decided to look at the motherboard. Here is the board as soon as I took it off, and pay attention to the other side. It's full of dust and maybe some water had gotten in there. So I cleaned it very carefully with a brush and then I reinstalled it. Now I have put everything back together and it's time to test it. We'll make sure that we have propane right here and we open it. We are all set, so I'm gonna turn the heater on here. And our fan should be starting anytime soon. Here we go. There's our fan. And there's our flame. The furnace, it's working. Now the moment of truth. I'm gonna turn off the system through the thermostat. There, the furnace turned off, the flame is off, and now we're just gonna wait for the fan to turn off. I know that this takes probably a little bit more than 1 minute, but we're gonna see if cleaning the borer was the solution. And there it is, the fan is off, so it worked cleaning the borer. So I guess we have to pay attention to that. Every so often we have to go and look in there to make sure that the borer is clean or to clean it. Hopefully this will help you guys to save some money and not take your rig to the mechanic and charge you hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So hopefully, if you have any questions, let me know at the bottom of the video. Thank you.